So how do you unlock your Android phones if you forgot your password? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually unlock your Android phone when you forgot your password. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes you might have kept a PIN, a pattern or a password. So in this case, you can see I have a PIN that contains at least 4 digits PIN. Now in my case, if I in case happen to forget my PIN, all I can do is I can simply log in or unlock it with my fingerprint sensor, as you can see, just like that. Now if you use iPhone, then you also have your Face ID, right? There's really nothing for you to worry about because resetting your phone is really easy. But the problem is that even after you factory reset the phone, sometimes it's going to give you an FRP lock, which means that a Google lock, which means if a person has their Google account logged in and then you reset it, which means hard reset, it's going to lock it to the owner's Google ID, and then you will need the Google ID in order to be able to log into the account. That's how Android system is also adapting to the changes these days. Now sometimes your device could actually support remote unlock, which means that in my case I have my Samsung account logged in. It means that if my Samsung account is logged in, if I in case happen to forget my password, I can reset it using my Samsung account. For that, I would just need to go to findmy.samsung.com, then I would need to simply log into my Samsung account. Now Google also offers the same feature, because if you have a Google account, you'll also be able to unlock it with Google Find My, then you should be able to go ahead and do that. But I really wouldn't recommend the hard reset option, because sometimes that is going to lock to the owner's Google ID, and if you don't remember your Google ID, that's just going to be troublesome for you later on. So hope this video answered your question as to how you can unlock your Android phones when you forget your password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.